Hey, Penny Prepper here. So, sorry I haven't been able to put out some content. It was really busy with Christmas and New Year's and stuff like that. And then the weather has been crazy. So, it has been super, super windy out. I mean, windy, I've never seen wind like this before. And I'm having other people say this as well. I thought my house was going to blow away. And it's been straight windy for probably since Christmas. All of my plastic on my little greenhouses is shredded. My tarps are shredded, covering my wood pile. My garbage can won't stay standing up. It is just crazy. I can't believe it. The wind has just been astronomical. So, I haven't been able to do any videos outside because every time I tried, all you could hear was the wind blowing. I mean, I'm surprised my kids weren't getting blown away when they were walking out to the bus. So anyways, what I'm going to be doing today is I have 4 logs peeled, and I think you can kind of see one in the corner there, because I have an elk hide that I want to dry scrape. So dry scraping is a Native American method of tanning hides, and I got this dry scraper here. So I want to try it out, and this hide has been sitting, this elk hide has been sitting and thawing out and freezing and thawing out and freezing. So I got a request to do a cold start on my chainsaw without using the choke. And so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to use my chainsaw to notch out the ends of my logs so that I can fit them together and make a frame. And I'm sorry, I was going to also do the one on the Craftsman. However, I took the Craftsman over to my mom because she wanted to try to use it. I am going to be getting it back and servicing it, and then when I do get it back, I'll do the cold start on that one. And my generator is slightly unburied, so I will be able to do that video here soon as well. I have so much to do. All my meat is still sitting in the freezer waiting to be turned into burger, and I've got like all these hides. I've got 7 hides, and yeah, I need to do rendering fat. I have so much stuff to do, so I'm really behind, but here I am back again. I am going to be showing this cold start on the chainsaw, and then using it on these logs to notch them out. And then hopefully today I can do a more in-depth video on the flushing process to continue my my series on tanning hides. So here is my Mcculloch, and honestly, I don't know if I can even start it without the choke on. So we're gonna find out. It should have some gas in it. Yep. Got some gas in it. So, okay. Switch on. Not putting the choke on, so let's see how it goes. Okay. Probably gonna have to do this. I don't know if you'll be able to. Well, maybe I can. Let's see if I can do it. I'm gonna hold down the lever for the chain. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. I might have to. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to start without using the choke. So, try again. Yeah, I don't I don't even know if it's possible to start a cold chainsaw without using the choke. It doesn't have a, you know, like a little thing. So, sorry, I tried, but I don't know if it's gonna work. So I just pulled the choke out. Okay, so sorry it wouldn't work without the choke on, but I think I'm gonna have to do a little bit more. So this is what I just did. See if you can see it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to do a little bit more over here, but see, basically I just want to do this to all four so that they can fit together. So I'll finish that, and then I'll show you the frame when it's done. All right, Penny Prepper out.